In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter rows in Smartsheet. If your sheet is getting crowded and you want to focus on just the information that matters, filtering a single column is a quick, reliable way to hone in on exactly what you need. Start by opening your sheet and moving to the very top of the column you want to filter. You're looking for the column header at the top of that column. Right-click on the header to open the context menu. From here, click Filter. This brings up the filter options for that specific column, and everything you see from this point will be tailored to the type of data in that column. If you're filtering a text or number column, you'll see options that let you show only the rows that match a particular entry, as well as conditions like is blank. Choosing is blank is a great way to spot missing information so you can clean up your data. If you want to narrow down to a single repeated value, like all rows with the same name in an assigned to column, pick the option that matches that value to instantly group those rows together. When you filter a date column, the choices change to fit dates. You'll see options like is greater than, is equal to, and more. Use is greater than to focus on dates after a specific day, which is perfect for upcoming deadlines. Use is equal to when you need an exact match to a single date, such as a specific event or due date. These comparisons help you quickly find what's relevant without scanning through every row. Keep in mind that the filter options differ from column to column because they're based on the column's properties. Checkbox columns tend to offer true or false style conditions, while drop-down columns let you focus on selected choices only. If something looks off, double-check that your column is set to the correct type, especially for dates, so you get the right set of filtering choices. As soon as you pick a filter, Smartsheet narrows your view to show only rows that match your criteria. Nothing is deleted. The other rows are simply hidden until you adjust the filter again. If the results aren't quite right, revisit the same column header, right-click, and tweak the condition to refine what appears. And that's it. Right-click the column you care about, choose Filter, and pick the condition that fits your goal. With a few clicks, you'll cut through the noise and see exactly what you need in your sheet.